got my gloves on. Here we go. This thing's gonna be a fire. Yep, first one right here. That's the first victim. Yeah, come right here with me. I'm gonna dunk this bad boy right now. Okay. See how that looks. Okay, that's actually looking pretty good. Oh man, I just dropped it. I hate when that happens. Once in a while I do that. But you know why I dropped it? Because I'm holding this fucking camera. That's why. I'm trying to show you guys, and here I am fucking myself. So let me fish this out. Man, what a nightmare. I'm gonna set it off over here. Now this is 1095 steel. Okay. Before I do the next one, I want to make sure that the hardness is perfect on that one. Which I know for a fact the hardness is going to be accurate, but something's just telling me to check it. There we go. Oh yeah. She is hard. That's a success. Those flakes. Alright, man, that shit's hot. Oh man, burn my finger. Alright, so I got a little boo-boo here, right? What they call it? I snapped it. I was trying to straighten her out, and I went ape shit, and I was using the damn 2-pound hammer, which you're not supposed to do that. Actually, that's 3 pounds. It's even worse, right? And here I am, and I broke it. But guess what? Every mistake you make like that, or every failure, there's always a fix. Always, always, always. So, since this is going to be a neck knife, I can get away with welding it. That's right. So what I already did, as you can see right in the middle, I put a notch and a notch. And I kept up there and down here, all exactly where it's supposed to be, right? So I can fill in here, and I can then grind off any existing weld. And in here will be a nice strong bond. Now I can grind it all the way around, make it perfect. Let me go do that. Alright, let's do this. Bring this all the way down here. Close that. See how I want it. Right about here. Like so. Get the clamp. Tighten it down. Alright. Now I'm going to go all the way. I'm going to back off right about there. Take a look at this. Oh yeah, just the way I planned it. I like that. I really like it. Not too high up top, not too low up top. Got the swoop going on. I can put an eyelet here, eyelet there, come down, do my little notch there, and of course my patent DMKusa thumb ramp. Alright, time to place some holes in this bad boy. First one, I believe I'm going to go right about here. I don't know, I think I like that. What do you think? Remember, I do this by eye. So far, so good. Let's work down. I think I'm gonna probably need two more. One here. Yep. And now, the most important one. Alright, let's take a look at that. It's looking pretty good. What do you think? Okay, right there. Not too hard on that one. Yeah, see that? Pretty good. Just finished her up. Sheath is looking on point. So where I split it, right there, you can see that. I have welds. I welded on one side and another. It's not 100% straight. That's the reason why I broke it. I grabbed a 3-pound hammer and just started whacking it. Then it broke. But yeah, I said, you know what? It still has potential, you know. So that's what I did. Bring it back to life. 1095 steel. Scandi grind. Razor sharp, of course. Very, very sharp. Just got her dirty. Polish the edge. Well, on to the next one I go, right? Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to my existing subs, especially the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time at full throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and plugs out there. You know who you are as well. I'm out of here. Cheers.